Don't break your computer when you move. Here are the essential steps to safely pack and load your PC. To start, you'll need these items. Links to everything below. First step is preparation. Pack up your desk items to create working room. Back up all files and important documents to an external hard drive. Properly eject any disks or drives connected to your computer. And shut down your computer through the operating system on screen. Then flip off the power button at the back of the tower. Next up, it's time for breakdown and cleaning. Unplug the power cable from the power outlet. Carefully disconnect every wire and cable, and then organize and label them. If you can, pack your PC on a non-carpeted surface, as carpet generates static electricity that can damage your computer. Now, to protect the interior, remove the plexiglass side panel. Give the PC tower a quick cleaning using microfiber towels, cotton swabs, and an air duster or canned air. If your PC is water cooled, do not move it without draining the liquids first. As far as protecting the interior of your PC, you can remove your graphics card, as this is heavy and easily damaged during a move. So if you have its original box, you can remove it and pack it in there. Then place that into a larger box and add crumpled paper to cushion it. Another route some people take is to use expanding foam to protect the components inside the tower, but others warn against it, so it's really up to your personal preference. After you feel comfortable that the interior of your PC is protected, put the plexiglass panel back in place. Next up, boxing your PC. For the same concerns about static electricity, do not pack or wrap your PC with blankets or any wool materials. Ideally, if you have the box your PC tower came in, place it in that, as it already has anti-static foam designed for your specific computer. If the box is looking a little run down, use tape to secure it at the bottom, making an H shape. If you don't have the box your PC came in, you can buy a PC shipping box. Line the box with non-static bubble wrap or packing paper and place it in the box. Fill in any gaps with crumpled paper to make sure the tower is safely secure, and then use a generous amount of tape to secure the box together, label as fragile, and the side up. When it comes to loading up your PC on moving day, you usually want to place fragile items last into your car, but since the PC tower is so large, it's best to load it first and then work around it. If packing it in your trunk, place items around it snugly so it stays in place, but don't pack so much around it that it's compressed. However, the safest place to pack it is on the floor behind the passenger seat. If you absolutely have to place your PC tower in a moving truck, place it closest to the cab with your other fragile items. Of course, no matter where it is, don't place anything heavy on top of it. You still need to pack your computer monitor, so go watch my other video about how to pack and load it safely.